as we run through some of the names, I know a name, for example, that you like right now is Caterpillar. How does that name get incorporated with your market outlook? Why is that a winner potentially?
You know, yeah. Hi, Nicole. It's an amazing. All of a sudden, Caterpillar enters the name. We believe that they're going to benefit long term in terms of infrastructure, any spending bill that's coming forward from the government. Also, along with that, the housing starts that are occurring, any big machinery equipment, Caterpillar is going to benefit from that long-term trend. Also, there are over 53 hedge funds that own Caterpillar in their portfolios right now. So institutional ownership is over 70% right now. So we're pretty positive that the trend is its friend right now. And lastly, this year, that year to date, it's up over 33%. And we feel that that trend is going to continue, especially with everything reopening.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. I mean, it's just all about the stimulus that's coming, the new packages about infrastructure, housing, as you noted. What about Coinbase? I mean, this is something that some folks say it's a good way to get involved with crypto if you look at coin.
Yeah, absolutely. I want you to think of Coinbase as a way of getting in, as you said, without actually getting into the currency. Many people are skittish about getting into the cryptocurrency, whether it be Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or what have you. How about getting into something that acts, I believe, almost like a broker dealer, where they benefit on the buy, they benefit on the sell, and even though it hasn't shown big moves on the upside as of yet, because the cryptocurrency has been going down, but any move back to the upside with the cryptos, Coinbase is going to definitely benefit. We also think that as a new player, they're definitely going to benefit from the customers that want to get involved in the cryptocurrency. So that's another thing. We see excellent growth prospects across the board, and we think that this is just the beginning for them. So we want to get in on the ground floor. We don't want to wait until everybody thinks it's popular and then get in. So now is the time.
Yeah, and you know, there's probably a lot of people sitting on the sidelines who still are interested in having a part of crypto in their portfolio, but they're just a little nervous, as you said, using the word skittish. And as you said, this could be a way to do this. And they're adding Dogecoin trading this week as well. Tell me about BP.
Yeah, you know, BP is transforming itself. I mean, what was once obviously it's still an oil company and refined chemicals, but it's transforming itself in ways that they're doing it under the radar. They are buying alternative energy companies left and right, particularly the solar companies. They are making huge acquisitions here in the United States of different solar companies and other alternative companies. So we see that they are ahead of the curve versus the other companies, and we believe that they're going to benefit long term. They are no longer relying on the oil as part of their big revenue. They are going all in on the alternative energy front. And we believe that just that little bit, I mean, the stock is up over 32% this year. So energy in general with the alternative energies, there's huge potential for this to go on the upside and make some nice money going forward.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. How about Iron Mountain? That's a name that you had listed for us.
This is one, Nicole, I got beat up on, for the longest period of time. And it really happened more at the beginning of the pandemic. And here's the reason why. Offices were closed. The services that Iron Mountain provides, their security and picking, shredding, and the like, if offices are closed, they weren't going to make as much money. Now that offices are starting to open up again, we're starting to see them move on the upside. They were up over 39% year to date. And we believe that as the pandemic wanes and all the other businesses start to open, along with what happened with the breaches in oil, the breaches in the beef just recently, companies are going to be looking for a company like Iron Mountain to protect their data and to make sure that their security is upheld and upheld well.
Yeah, it absolutely makes sense. Last but not least, First Republic.
Yeah, this is a company that kind of transformed itself. It's kind of like we want to be the Goldman Sachs, but they got a better way. They really adopted technology and in the wealth management division. So they have a portal so they can talk to their clients. Referrals are up in that segment of the business. Across the board, loan originations are up. They are just really focusing on that customer service model. And I'll tell you, having come from that background and still in it, customer service is king when it comes to wealth management and loan origination. So you want to make sure you're keeping your clients happy. You want to make sure that your company is first and forefront in their clients' minds. So that way you're not spending so much in business development as in getting those referrals to come into you. I think that they got an excellent model going forward. The stock is up a little bit more than 30% this year, and we feel that there's excellent potential for more double-digit growth before the end of the year.